I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute fairy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you don't miss my new lessons. Now, let's look at the picture. We can see a head, hair, dress, arms, legs and wings. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, dress, arms, legs and wings. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper. Draw a circle for head. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Well done! Then let's draw the neck. Draw 2 vertical lines under the head. Then let's draw ears. C-shape on the left side over here and backward C-shape on the right side. Let's draw eyes. 2 dots over here. Backward C-shape for nose and U-shape under the nose for smile. Our fairy has roses in her cheeks. Draw heart on the left side and on the right side under the eyes. Now let's draw her shoulder. Draw diagonal line on the left side and on the right side. Then 2 diagonal lines to the middle. And let's connect them. Now let's draw her dress. 2 curves inside the body. The first and the second. Then another 2 curves. And let's add some curve inside this shape. Then let's draw a curve on the left side, on the right side and connect them with wavy line. Repeat after me. Curve down and curve up. That's the way. I like your line. Let's add 4 lines inside this dress. Let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's draw her arms. Draw 2 diagonal lines on the left side, long narrow arc, then a short narrow arc and 2 curves over here. And let's draw the same step on the right side. 2 diagonal lines, long narrow arc, then a short narrow arc and 2 curves over here, the first and the second. Now let's draw her legs. Let's draw 2 vertical lines and U-shape over here. And the same thing on the right side. 2 vertical lines and U-shape. Now let's draw shoes. G-shape on the left side and backwards G-shape on the right side. Now let's draw her wings. Draw 2 diagonal lines on the right side and backwards C-shape and the end. I knew you could do it. Then let's draw the same thing on the left side. 2 diagonal lines and C-shape at the end. Then let's draw 3 arcs to the hand. 1, 2, 3 and on the left side 1, 2, 3. Then diagonal line to the down on the left side, on the right side and 3 curves to the legs. 1, 2, 3 and connect with the dress. And let's draw the same thing on the right side. 1, 2, 3 and connect with the dress.
Now repeat the same lines side by side. 3 curves, diagonal line, then 3 curves and connect with the dress. And the same thing on the right side. 2 curves, diagonal line, another 2 curves and connect with the dress. And let's draw her hair. Curve to the right and to the left and vertical lines over here under the head. Then add 2 curves inside on the left side and on the right side.
That's the way to go, you did it! I like your fairy. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie art. Also, you can download and print my cute coloring book with princess. All links in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose yellow for wings. Then I choose green for this part of wings. I choose indigo for hair. And I choose pink for her dress, shoes, and blush.
Wow, what a beautiful fairy! I like your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring books. I'll link in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.